Welcome to Healthy Habitat, where we make the complex world of health simple for you. Now, imagine a hard-working, multitasking organ, responsible for over 500 essential tasks in your body. That's your liver. But did you know that a fatty liver is becoming one of the most common liver conditions in the world today? Fret not, because in this video, we're diving deep into 6 vital vitamins that can play a pivotal role in detoxifying and cleansing that fatty liver of yours. And let's spill some beans right at the outset. Vitamin number 4 is a game changer, and you wouldn't want to miss out on it. So stick around, because this journey into liver health is about to get vitamin charged. Vitamin number 1. Vitamin E. Let's dive in with our first vitamin, vitamin E. Vitamin E is often regarded as the protector vitamin, and there's a good reason for that. Found in various foods such as nuts, seeds, and green leafy vegetables, vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant. This means it's particularly effective in preventing cellular damage from free radicals, unstable molecules that can harm cellular structures. In the context of the liver, oxidative stress can be a major culprit. Over time, this stress can damage liver cells, leading to inflammation and scarring. For individuals diagnosed with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, research suggests that vitamin E supplementation might aid in reducing inflammation and liver damage. While it's no magic bullet, it certainly holds promise as a supportive therapy. Yet, it's crucial to note that excessive intake can lead to side effects, and not everyone should take high doses. Always consult with a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement regimen. Vitamin number 2. Vitamin C. Next up is the powerful vitamin C. The ever-popular vitamin C is well known for its immune-boosting properties. But beyond warding off colds, it plays a pivotal role in the body's detoxification processes. Found in abundance in citrus fruits, berries, kiwi, guava, and bell peppers, vitamin C is a potent antioxidant. This water-soluble vitamin assists the liver, particularly in its phase 1 detoxification process. Furthermore, vitamin C aids in the production of glutathione, often dubbed the master antioxidant. Glutathione is critical for liver detoxification, helping to neutralize toxins, which are then excreted via bile. A deficiency in vitamin C can reduce the synthesis of glutathione, impacting the liver's ability to detoxify. Hence, ensuring adequate vitamin C intake is pivotal for liver health. Vitamin number 3. Vitamin B12. On to vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a powerhouse when it comes to supporting energy and overall vitality. Predominantly found in animal products such as fish, meat, poultry, eggs, milk, and milk products. B12 helps in the formation of red blood cells, aids in cell metabolism, supports bone health, and aids in the synthesis of DNA. For the liver, B12 is crucial. It helps in the metabolism of fats and proteins, ensuring that the liver processes these compounds effectively. A deficiency in B12 can have a direct impact on liver function, leading to fatigue, anemia, and even neurological changes. Ensuring you have adequate B12, either through diet or supplements, supports liver health and overall well-being. Vitamin number 4. Vitamin D. The game changer vitamin D. Vitamin D, fondly called the sunshine vitamin, is unique because it's the only vitamin that can be synthesized by our body when our skin is exposed to sunlight. Essential for bone health due to its role in calcium absorption. Vitamin D also holds promise in supporting liver function. Studies have shown a correlation between vitamin D deficiency and various liver conditions, including NAFLD and chronic liver diseases. Its role in modulating immune responses is particularly intriguing. Vitamin D can reduce inflammation, a common issue in many liver conditions. For those living in regions with limited sun exposure or who wear sunscreen regularly, dietary sources like fortified dairy products, fatty fish, and egg yolks can help. However, many people turn to supplements to ensure they're getting enough. Vitamin number 5. Vitamin A. Now, vitamin A is special. But before we dive into its benefits, here's something you should know. For the best supplements, including vitamins, fish oil, and multivitamins, I've provided Amazon's bestseller recommended links in the description box below. Check them out. Vitamin A, a fat-soluble vitamin, is essential for vision, growth, immune function, and reproduction. Found in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and kale. It comes in two primary forms: preformed vitamin A, from animal sources, and provitamin A, from plant sources. In the context of the liver, vitamin A is stored in significant amounts and plays a role in detoxification. This vitamin supports the liver in processing fats and helps to maintain its overall health. However, one should be cautious. While it's necessary for many bodily processes, excessive vitamin A, especially from supplements, can be toxic and even harmful to the liver. Balance is key, and it's always best to aim for dietary sources. Vitamin number 6. Vitamin B complex. Finally, we have the vitamin B complex. These are a group of 8 water-soluble vitamins, essential for converting food into energy. They also support liver function, particularly B12, B6, and folic acid. These vitamins help with the breakdown of fats in the liver, promoting liver health. You can find them in foods like whole grains, beans, nuts, and eggs. In conclusion, our liver is an industrious organ that deserves all the love and care we can give. These 6 vitamins can offer immense support in keeping it healthy and robust. And remember, while supplements can be beneficial, it's always best to aim for a balanced diet to naturally obtain these vitamins. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. The bestseller recommended supplements, including essential vitamins, fish oil, and multivitamins, are available through the links in the description. Make sure to check them out,